How to turn on or off sync contact on your TikTok app easy and quick. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off sync contact on your account on TikTok. So first thing, go to your TikTok application. Now click on those three lines up there and click on setting and privacy. Now click on the second option, which is privacy, and you have the option number 3, which is sync contact and Facebook friends. Click on it, and here you have sync contact, which is the first option to easily find and follow people you may know. Your phone contact will be periodically synced. You can turn this off at any time. So click on it to turn on or off. Easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like.